Hi guys, I welcome all you viewers in this video and my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm just talking about how to backup and restore Symantec Endpoint Protection Manager database and how to upgrade client with packages. So the meaning is very simple here. You have a database which is created at the time of installation or your configuration. You want to backup it and you need to restore it. And the second thing, you have your endpoint protection version like 14.0.0 or MP1 or RU1. You want to upgrade your clients to MP2 or newer version. So how you can do it from your management console. I hope this video is would be informative for you. If it is informative, please don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you will be getting upcoming videos and updates. So guys, this is a console. Okay, so I am inside uh, admin. We need to go to admin and I will tell you a couple of things here. So as you go to admin panel, you will get administrator. Okay, you will see what and all you have configured here. Next one is domain. It will give you your domain information, so this is not required for this. And install package. Okay, so I'm talking about first of all database backup. So you need to go to server here and select this is server. It will give you information about your server, and here like local site and couple of things like which version and all. So that is not required for us. What we need to do is we need to go to localhost, and if you go to localhost you will see task here. You can take edit database property. If you click on this, you can go to log settings. You can do it from here. Backup setting, you can do it. Okay, so you can schedule backup also, but I'm talking about manual here, how you can do it. Okay, if you go to database maintenance tasks, schedule backup, schedule tasks like this. So I'm not doing all those things. Okay, and it is by default created, so I will show you how to take backup manually. So this is backup database. Now if you click this, it will ask yes or no. Yes, click yes and it will show you the path where it is going, and click OK. It will take some time and you can see the update here. It will reflect here that backup, one time backup initiated. Okay, as you can see here on this on the top. So it will take couple of time and it will give you the information it is completed. So once it is completed, we will go to that particular location and check. So now I will tell you. So this is how we can take backup, and if you wish to restore, again you will have to uh, restore it. I will show you in once it is done. So here I'm just going next to install package. So I told you how to upgrade clients with new package. So guys, this is the option where we can do it. So once you click to install package, it is showing client install package. So these are the packages what we can install or what I had installed for my clients. Okay, as you can see here, this last one, it is a older version. As you can see here, it is 24.15. Okay, and as you can see here on top, it is 39.29. That is my latest version. So if I'm using this and if I want to upgrade this, I can do it from here. So for that, what you need to do, you can check from here, install client install packages. So what are the packages? As I told you, next one is client install setting. So once this client is installed, what will happen? So this is my new one. I will edit it and I will show you. So basic settings you can do it, and restart setting, two settings what we have here. First one is install to the default installation folder. Okay, where it should go, client installation setting, we can do it from here. And couple of settings you can see here, enable installation logging and blah blah. So restart setting is most important, because if you are installing it from your server and production is going on at the same time, it should not impact your production. So you can do it no restart, like force restart if you want to restart immediately that system where it is going to be installed, or no restart client computer. You can put like this force restart. If you are doing, then you will have to give time like immediately or at this time. Prompt, user should be prompted or not, restart message. So you can set these kind of settings from client install setting for this particular package. Now what feature you want, client install feature set, whether you want client version or server version, basic protection for servers. So you can select one of from here. So I'm talking about install. So I was talking about upgrade. Okay, for example, this is my see here, my updated version is already added. So if you have old version and if you want to upgrade with new version, then you will have to go to upgrade client with packages. Okay, so first, before that, I will show you one thing. So as you can see here guys, I selected this first one, and you can see couple of things here, like these are the group where my computers are situated. If I select this older one, okay, I can't see anything here. So wherever I will where I want to deploy that, or which system should be upgraded, you will have to define from here. Okay, so as of now, what I am doing here, or you can select particular group as well. So what I need here, upgrade client, I'm just selecting this one. Okay, and click next, and which version you want from here. Okay, before that you have to see, no, let me show you one more thing. If you click to this arrow, it will give you the listed version here, like older as well as a new one. So before that, what we need to do is here we need to add that package, what package we want to upgrade. So for that, add client install package, here we need to go, and any name we can give. So guys, I don't have new one because already installed it is. It will give you error if I try to add that what I'm going to add from here. It will give you like it is already added. So these are the packages I have, and if I select this 64 bit, so it, once I click next, it will give you error, the package is already exist, because it is already there here. These are the new one for me. So you can add from here, and now if you want to upgrade, you will have to go to upgrade clients. Okay, and next here, and you can select this one, this first, or whichever you want, it will reflect here. And for example, I'm selecting the 64 bit and click next, and you can select the group where you want. If you want to all, you can go my computer, or you can select one by one like this. So this is what you have to do, and let me select this IT one and next. So it will download from the management server, or if you have any URL. So and one more thing, you can do it from here, upgrade settings. Okay, so nothing is required from here, but still you can do it couple of things, like click client setting, maintain existing client feature when updating. Okay, these kind of things you can do it from here, like a default client standard for Windows, or Windows enhanced, embedded, something like that. So I'm not selecting anything, and I'm not doing, because it is not required much. And from where it has to take that upgraded package from management server, and click next and finish. So my system will be upgraded with this package. So this is guys how we can do it. And couple of things here, like if you want to delete client install package, this is not required for me. So what I can do it, I can delete this one, because I don't have this Linux operating system and all. So this is what guys I just tried to bring in this. I hope this is informative for you. So I was talking about backup, so it is still going on, it is not completed. Once it is completed, it will show you there's it is done successfully. Okay, this one, I hope guys this video is informative for you. If it is informative, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, comment on this video, share on this video. And there are a couple of things here. So live update downloads, what downloaded, and show the live update status. If you click on this, so it will give you information. October 12 2018 7:37, it was it was updated last time. Okay, so these are the couple of things you can see here. And backup, I told you how to do it. And property, you can check from here. If you go to domain, this is domain, and from packages. So guys, just try at your hand. And one more thing, I will show you a small thing here. Set user information collection. See, once, no, I'm not telling much thing guys, this much only in this video. And I will be talking about couple of more things in coming videos, like reports, how to schedule reports here and all. Scheduled report, what are the reports, like this many reports I have scheduled. And I will tell you couple of more things, like I've already done about this part. So I will go to report next, and monitor. And I will be sharing those things in next videos. For example, what you can do from here, what you can monitor, like summary. So it will give you risk distribution or risk distribution by source, virus and spyware protection. If you click here, and you can check more things here. Site status, if you want to see, you can see. You can check logs, command status if you give any command. Okay, command means what, guys? Here I will show you. If I go to client and if I select any computer from here, okay, and clients, and if I give any command like this system, and I'm giving run a command like update content, so yes, it will show you here like monitor. If you go to command status, it will give you, this is the command, what is happening, 0% client, how many client affected, and what is the IP address and all. So guys, this much in this video. Till then, bye bye.